Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. First I want to wish you all happy Thanksgiving. Now I've got a ThruNite Black Friday video. This is a really brief video and I'm going to share with you some Black Friday deals from ThruNite. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just sharing some flashlights that they've given me through the years and helping them out because of all the lights they've given me. If you do buy something, I might get some commissions from an Amazon link, and that would greatly help me out, and of course ThruNite. Anyway, they've got a big deal going on. This is some of the lights they have on the Black Friday deal, and I'm going to briefly cover these for you. The Archer Mini, which I recently got here as a gift, is on sale until the 28th at just a minute before midnight for sale price of $19.99. Original price $25.99. I'll put the link down below. That's 25% off. So you can go ahead and grab one of them. They make great gifts. The Archer Pro is also 25% off. And that's a 1,000 lumen little tiny EDC flashlight. Pretty impressive. On sale for $29.99. So check that out. All these links will be down below. I have here the T1S, but the T1 is the one on sale right now, 20% off at $31.99. Really affordable for a powerful flashlight from ThruNite. The TN12 Pro Tactical on sale for $39.99. Now that is really affordable for a tactical flashlight. Really great deal. All these sales are going on until 28th of November at stroke before midnight. I've got here the Catapult V6. That is 20% off at $59.99. And also the Catapult Pro, which I don't have here with me at this time. I have two girls and they love these lights and they're all over the place. We love these lights. The Catapult Pro is 20% off for $79.99. Another one I don't have right here is the Archer 2A V3 in the Archer series. That's the Archer series. And that is 20% off for $23.99. Very, very affordable right now. Another one I don't have right here, the TC15V3, 2,400 lumens. That's floating around the property somewhere. My girls love these lights. That's only $47.99. So these things make great Christmas gifts. Black Friday sale going on until November 28th at a minute before midnight. So check it out, guys. I'm going to put all the links for these that I've mentioned down below. Go ahead and get them. They are quite affordable, and as you know from my previous videos, ThruNite is high quality. They're all impact resistance, water resistant, and durable. These things have all gone through the works, and they are daily use flashlights in our family. And they all still work. They take a beating and they all still work. So check it out, guys, and I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving.